Using Slack as a virtual assistant can greatly enhance communication, task management, and overall efficiency when collaborating with clients or teams. Here's how you can use it effectively. Set up a professional workspace. Join your client's Slack workspace or create one specifically for your virtual assistant services. Ensure your profile is complete with a professional picture, clear job title, and contact information. Organize tasks with channels. Use dedicated channels for specific projects or topics. Request access to all relevant channels to stay informed about tasks and updates. Manage communication. Use Slack's direct messaging to coordinate with team members or clients privately. Reply in threads to keep conversations organized and easy to track. Automate and integrate tools. Integrate tools like Google Calendar, Trello, or Asana to manage schedules, tasks, and deadlines. Use Slack reminders for important follow-ups or recurring tasks. Share and store information. Upload files, links, or resources for quick access and collaboration. Pin important messages in channels for easy reference. Build strong relationships. Communicate clearly, maintain prompt responses, and use emoji reactions to add a personal touch.